Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fall makeup tutorial and I'm going to be using only drugstore products because, you know, we're all broke. So let's just jump right on into this. I'm going to be starting off with my brows and I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill in Brunette. Now I'm going to be setting my brows using the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara in the color Browny Brows. Alright, so I actually forgot that I don't have any drugstore concealers, so I'm just going to use my Tarte Shape Tape, but you can use like any drugstore concealer that you want because it's you know, it's just concealer. I'm priming my eyes with this Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Do you like my broken beauty blender? Isn't it cute? And now I'm gonna set that with the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. I actually don't use this powder very often because it's so incredibly scented. Oh god. It's kind of like baby powder perfumey, like if they made perfume for babies. I do think that this powder works pretty good, but it's just like, it's so scented that I don't use it very often. Like so scented. Did I just powder my whole eyebrow? I did, didn't I? The look that I'm going to be doing is like a really warm, like cranberry smoky eye, because to me nothing screams fall like a cranberry, red, orangey eye look. And I just love like shimmery cranberry colors. I don't know, I just love it. I'm using the ColourPop Yes Please palette. So I'm going to be starting off with this shade. And all the names are on the back, but I don't know how to read them really, so I'm just not going to be referring to the names. I'm going to be taking like a huge fluffy brush in that color. I'm just putting that all over my crease. You can't see me, can you? Why is my nose so itchy? Alrighty. I'm going to be taking a much smaller fluffy brush and dipping into this shade. And I'm putting that right in my crease. Now I wanted to make a look that was like super simple that you could do with just like 3 or 4 different colors. This is my go-to eye look all the time. It's just like 2 colors in the crease, one all over the lid and one in the outer corner. And I think that it's super easy and super like beginner friendly. And it's my go-to look when I'm like running out of time like usual. And I don't have time to like put a million colors on my lids and blend out everything super well. Now I'm going to be taking that dark brown shade and packing that on my outer corner and blending that just a tiny bit into the crease. You know what song I have stuck in my head right now? It's Super Trooper from Mamma Mia. You know, all the time my best friend will ask me what the song that she has stuck in her head is from, and the answer is almost always Mamma Mia. I should tweet that. Right now I'm just going back in with that transition shade and blending it out in my crease a bit more. I'm gonna take that cranberry shade in the palette and I'm putting that all over my lid, and I'm gonna use my finger to do that. Ugh. Just got so much eyeshadow in my eye. Can you see that? Look at that. Alright, and now I'm going to take more of that brown shade and pack some more on my outer corner. I'm going to go back in with that big fluffy brush and that very first peachy shade that we used and just blend the top a little bit. And that's pretty much it for the eyes. I am going to do the lower lash line after I finish my face, but other than that the eyes are pretty much done. And I think that's a super easy look to do. Somewhere in the crowd there's you, tonight the super trooper. And now I'm taking the CoverGirl True Blend Face Primer for oily skin, and I'm going to use that to prime my face. Gotta use a lot of primer from my 5 head. Oh yeah, and I have eyeshadow all over the back of my hand. When I'm done using my finger to put on like a metallic shade, that's what I do with my eyeshadow, is I put it on the back of my hand. Look at how red she is, wow. Since I have eyeshadow all over the back of my hand, I have to put this on my face directly. So I'm using the Ulta Beauty HD Soft Focus Liquid Foundation because that's really the only foundation that matches me right now. And now I'm taking that Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again underneath my eyes. And then I'm setting that again with the Coty Airspun powder. And I'm also setting my whole face. Now I'm going to move on to that lower lash line, and I'm taking that shade that I used in my crease to blend out on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to take just the tiniest bit of that dark brown shade and run that really close to my lower lashes. And now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Palette. I'm taking this really used up shade because I was at Ulta the other day and some girl randomly was just like, "What bronzer do you use? It looks really good." I was like, crap, I'm almost out of it. Okay, so it's really easy for me to do this side of my nose because I'm right-handed, but then it's so hard for me to do this side of my nose. That's a lot of bronzer on my nose. Maybe don't put that much bronzer on your nose, but you know, a little bit's always fun. I'm gonna take some contour powder and just carve up my cheekbones of it. And now I'm gonna take this blush from Pixi in the color Beach Rose. Now I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. highlighter with Tarte Defensor, and I'm going to take a mixture of these two colors on my cheekbones and my nose and all over my face basically. Don't want to highlight that pimple. And then I'm also going to take that white shade and put that on the inner corners of my eyes and on my brow bone. And now I'm going to be curling my lashes and putting on some mascara. I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, but you can use any drugstore mascara or any other mascara that you have. And now I'm going to be throwing on some eyelashes just because my eyelashes are so like short and boring, and I just think that the lashes will step this look up, but you totally don't need to wear eyelashes. You can totally just get away with just mascara. Now for lips, I'm going to be putting on the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss in the color Statement Nude. Lastly, I'm going to be setting my face with the Maybelline Master Fix Wear Boosting Setting Spray. And that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! rude. I don't have any good drugstore concealers. Why did I make this a drugstore video? Because to me, nothing screams fall like cranberries. Like cranberries? What the fuck? I don't even eat cranberries. What? You bitch. Now I'm going to be taking a much smaller fluffy brush. Now I'm going to be taking a much smaller what the? Gross. Who likes my rubber band? Is there a ghost? Oh crap! Oh, and I'm and I hate myself.